So you want to get a gift for the model railroader in your life, but you go to a model train store website and you're like, what? Today I'm going to give you some tips and questions you can ask your favorite modeler, plus some places that I regularly use and trust to purchase stuff for my model railroad hobby. And if you're a model railroader, send this video to your friends so that they know what to get you. Hey everybody, my name's Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. I'm still drinking on that 8 o'clock coffee right here. Let me know what kind of coffees you are drinking, just like these guys. You can put that in the comments below. Cheers, guys. The first thing that you need to know is what scale they model in. The two most popular scales are HO and N scale and their variations. Another very popular scale is O scale. If you ever heard of Lionel trains, that's O scale. There are many other scales though, and it's best to simply ask. Knowing the scale is going to narrow down your gift ideas a great deal, but there are still many more things that you can do to figure out the perfect gift. The next big question is, do they run their layout on DC or DCC? These are methods of controlling your layout. DC stands for direct current, and DCC stands for digital command and control. DC is the least expensive but has the fewest features. Most of the time you'll see a locomotive listed as standard DC, DCC ready, DCC equipped, and DCC sound equipped. Asking how the layout is powered and whether it is DC or DCC will help you a ton if you're looking to buy that person a locomotive. DC layouts can run DC and DCC ready locomotives and even some DCC locomotives. DCC locomotives have a decoder in them that lets them interpret signals from a command station and control the locomotives. If your modeler runs DCC, you will want to buy DCC ready, DCC equipped, or sound equipped. FYI, DCC ready means that the locomotive comes ready for a decoder to be easily installed. The next question you can ask is, what era and road name do they run? Era is what time period they model, and road name is the railroad company that they model. So think of names like Union Pacific, Santa Fe, CSX, Norfolk Southern. Now, a lot of model railroaders are not going to go into this level of detail, and they run whatever they like. But if your model railroader is specific with their modeling, knowing these two things will help a ton. Railroad equipment has changed over time, and there are models for every era of model railroading. Just know that a lot of models you're going to see focus on the middle decades of the 20th century because this is what is considered the golden age of the railroads. There are tons of modern models as well, but these will be more freight-centric here in the US. Okay, so you figured out all of these things and you're still not sure what to buy. When in doubt, go for a freight car. Trust me, model railroaders can never have enough freight cars. Even if they already have the freight car in question, it's super easy to change the number and add a custom car to their fleet. Now, you know what to buy, but you need to know where to buy it. Lucky for you, I've compiled a list of several online model railroad shops that I've personally purchased from and can say that the buying process was easy and the items shipped quickly. Check that out in the description below, and if you still cannot figure out what to get the person in question, many of these shops offer gift cards. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.